Patil School of Occupational Therapy is the most eminent institution with more than 15 years in Navi Mumbai. It is the only private institution in Maharashtra accredited by NAC. Patil School of Occupational Therapy is affiliated to Maharashtra OTPT Council, All India Occupational Therapy Association and World Federation of Occupational Therapy. Our graduation program is as part with the pre-masters program in the universities abroad. So our students get easy admissions and more credits when they go globally. Within our campus, we have the world-class hospital where our students get hands-on practice and training right from the second year. So when they graduate, they are ready to serve independently and serve the society. Our students are placed exceptionally well in the global universities abroad. Today's world is smarter, faster and techno-savvy. Hence, we have incorporated new technology in the field of rehabilitation so that our students get to be trained future ready. We have virtual classrooms, simulation lab and all the classrooms are with Wi-Fi network so that our students can attend webinar, web conferences, guest lectures and industrial visits. This gives our students the global exposure or the latest trends which are happening globally in the field of occupational therapy. Here we encourage the students to take part in the extracurricular activities and also take part in sports because we have the world-class stadium right in our campus. As a part of internship, our students go for the community-based rehabilitation and learn to serve the underprivileged society as a part of their career. For the occupational therapy students, the opportunities are vast. They can work in hospitals, in the private clinics, or they can have their own clinics. They can work in special schools right after graduation and they can be financially independent. We invite you to join the School of Occupational Therapy, build a bright career.